Hello everyone, I am Anuja and in this video I will explain what global picklist value sets are and walk you through the simple steps to create them. Understanding global picklist value sets is super important for making your Salesforce life easier. So let's dive in and get started. First, let's talk about what global picklist value sets are and why they are so important in Salesforce. So global picklist value sets provide a single and unified method for managing picklist values across various fields and objects within an organization. By creating a global picklist value set, you can define a set of values that can be reused across various picklist fields. For example, an insurance company that offers various types of insurance policies. Instead of manually creating the same list of policy type in each picklist field across different objects like account, leads, opportunity, etc., you can create a global picklist value set called policy type. You can then define values such as life insurance, health insurance, and auto insurance, etc. within these global picklist value set. Now I will show you how to create a global picklist value set right inside Salesforce. So for creating the global value set, simply go to the setup, click this gear icon, and in quick find box, type picklist and click on picklist value sets. As you can see, I have already created some value sets here. So click on department and you can see these are the values, and if you want to reorder these values, so you can also reorder these values like this, or if you want to replace any of these value with any other value, so you can also replace this. So today we will create a new picklist value set. So click new, label name is policy type, you can give optional description, and I will enter the values here: life insurance, health insurance, motor vehicle insurance, home insurance, and so on. So as you can see, if you want to order these values alphabetically, so you can check this checkbox, or if you want to keep the first value as a default value, so you can check this checkbox also and click save. So as you can see, we have already created our value set policy type. So now I will show you how to use this picklist value set. Go to the object manager, search for policy, click policy, field and relationship, click new, select picklist, click next. Field label is insurance type. And I will use here the global picklist value set which I have just created. So I will use the policy type. If you want to make this field required, you can check this checkbox, click next. I'm making this visible for all the profiles, click next. I'm adding it in the page layout also, and click save. In the same way, go to the object manager, and I'm going to use the same picklist values in the account object also. Go to the account, field and relationship, click new, select picklist, click next. For the field label would be account insurance type. And I'm going to choose the same value set, policy type. Click next. Visible for all. Click next. Adding in all the page layouts and save. Now go to the app launcher. Search for insurance management app. Click on insurance management. So if we create a new record for accounts object, so you can see that the account insurance type is a pick list field and the pick list values are the same values: life insurance, health insurance, motor vehicle, and home insurance. And if we create a new record for the policy object, click new. So we can see I have the pick list field here, insurance type, and the values are the same: life insurance, health insurance, motor vehicle insurance, and home insurance. So that's all about the global pick list value set. This is how we implement a global pick list and use it in the different objects. So if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe for more Salesforce tips and tricks. And if you have questions, drop them in the comment below and I will do my best to help you out. Thank you.